Hi, I'm Micah with Gulf and Bay Dock Works. We're currently rebuilding the docks at a condominium in Treasure Island, Florida, and a townhome community in Tierra Verde, Florida. We specialize in rebuilding docks and dredging. We do a lot of residential docks, but we really take pride in the relationships we have with the condominium associations and HOAs and marinas that we work with. We're happy to talk to them and project managers and property managers years ahead of when they need us. We have the manpower to build these docks efficiently, to build them safely. We have Pinellas County's only in-house inspection team, where we have divers on staff whose primary goal is to inspect docks. Primary reasons we replace docks and rebuild docks is the age of the dock, something got damaged in a storm, and then a lot of times for budget reasons, 20 or 30 years ago, they wouldn't use stainless steel hardware. And that's okay in the short run, but in the long term, a lot of this hardware is failing. A lot of times we get called out because a grandchild or a family member or a friend came to visit, had several people on a finger pier, and it fell in the water or a portion of it did. And then boring worms. Boring worms have gotten in the pilings. They've really become a huge infestation in the last 10 years. If you don't know what those are, they're worms that get in the pilings if they're not wrapped properly, and they're the termite of the sea. So those are the reasons that we help inspect and rebuild docks. We also have an in-house permitting staff who can help a condo association determine if anything is out of sequence with the last permit, because we need to get that in order to be able to be approved for a new permit. We have a great relationship with the condominiums we work with. They like that we're professional. We can work with our primary strategic partners in the electric business to have a one-stop shop for all the electrical, plumbing, and dock needs that they have. We can also fit in conversations with the residents if they want to replace their lift pilings, if they want to add something to their individual slip. While we're here, we're happy to collaborate and have both the office and the infield manpower to make that stuff happen efficiently, safely, and make sure you don't have to worry about your docks again for a very long time.